Hello friends, to enhance your communication skills, I want to share with you today a wonderful technique, that is imitation technique. By using this imitation technique, I have improved my communication skills. When I was in student life, I used to hear and I used to imitate, especially in radio programs. In those days, when I was student in the year of around 1990, 1988, in those days there is no TV, no YouTube, nothing is there. So I used to hear only the radio. In radio, some radio programs are there, English programs. And at the same time, I used to on my radio and I used to talk with them. I used to imitate like them. In that way, I have improved my communication skills. And after that later stage, my role model is Dr. Kiran Bedi. And I heard a lot of her lectures. Her pronunciation, her talk, content, and dedication, confidence, everything I liked a lot. I started following her lectures. In the same way, this imitation technique, it will work out wonderfully. You will become a good speaker. You will not have any hesitation at all. How to follow, how to imitate. What is this imitation? Let me tell you. Imitation means nothing, simply copying. And to whom we have to copy and what we have to copy, I'll tell you. If you want to become a good speaker, if you want to overcome your hesitation to speak in English communication skills, just copy anybody. Select any role model. Around your environment you can select, if you are in college or school or work environment, office or business, anywhere. If you find any person who speaks very good, take her or take him as a role model. Start imitating like them. No madam, I am not finding anyone. Then just simply go for news channels. CNN, BBC, NDTV's channels are there. You can select any news reader. Take them as your role model. Or otherwise, you can go to YouTube channels. YouTube also many videos are available. Take somebody as your role model and start imitating them. How to imitate, how to talk just like them. I'll tell you few steps or few techniques. The first thing is that to whom you have selected, just observe them. Observe them first time, just listen to them. What they are speaking, what is the content and how they are speaking, just observe it. In the second step, observe the body language and their articulation, pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, how they are using it. These all things observe in the second stage. And third stage, once again means third time you are hearing their lecture, hearing their talk. In the third step, talk along with them. You have observed already 2 times. Now you know the content, you know what are the vocabulary they are using, how they are talking, what is their body language, everything is you know. Talk along with them. Now I am talking to you. You can imitate me also. So in that way, start talking along with them. And 3 times are over. Now 4th time is, you must be very careful. Now 4th time what you have to do? Now you have become perfect. Practice these 3 steps around 1 month. After 1 month, go for the 4th step. In the 4th step, what you have to do is take any topic and stand in front of mirror or stand in front of camera, either your smartphone or normal camera, any camera you can take, stand in front of that and start speaking like them. Imagine that you are their soul, your role model soul entered inside of your mind and you started acting, you started speaking like them. And if you follow this technique, definitely I guarantee it, you will get very good communication skills. And moreover thing, if you want to improve your communication skills, in the first video I said that ignore the grammar and everything, start speaking. In the same way, if you follow this imitation technique, you need not to be worry about the grammar, articulation, pronunciation, vocabulary, body language, all these things you need not to worry. Automatically you are going to improve because you are imitating perfect personality. So you will learn automatically. In this way you can improve. And very important thing is that what you say is not important, how you say is important. So content delivery, just learn it, vocabulary improve it and follow them. And I'm saying that imitate somebody to learn your language, but not forever. Once if you get the language, once if you improve yourself, go to your own style and start speaking. So this is very important, okay? And many times I get some messages through the YouTube or otherwise through the mails. Somebody are saying, madam, we started imitating you. Good, go ahead. And my wishes will be with you. And there is no patent rights at all. Please, you can imitate anyone, but come back to your own style. I have visited many places in India. Almost Kashmir to Kanyakumari, I have seen all the places. Whenever I go to new place, I see the work culture of the people, how is the work environment, and what kind of food habits they are having, what is the language they are using, and what is the education system also I'll observe. And I have seen many places, there is no proper education system. Schools, colleges, standardized schools are not there. And the pathetic situation is that qualified teachers, professors are not available. How can we expect a very good education from the youth? That's the reason I have started this channel. And I want to give whatever maximum knowledge I have. I want to give the best of my knowledge to all the youth. So I started this channel. I started speaking on many topics, and many youth are using this. Please carry on, share these videos. I am with you. Don't worry, any kind of doubt, any kind of problem is there, do share with me. I will respond. I am with you all. Please take care. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you all of you for your good wishes. And I am leaving my phone number and mail ID for any kind of training programs. Do come back to me. Thank you all. Take care.